Welcome back, guys. Now you need to be attentive in this video to understand everything I want to explain here, but it's gonna be a very short video. It's not gonna be too long. Now, first of all, to get started with this very website right here, you need to sign up. You need to register by clicking that very first link in the description box of this video. Once you get registered, by inputting your email right here, you have to write your email. Now write your password right here. The security password is the password that will be required from you anytime you want to place a withdrawal from the site. Every single time you want to place a withdrawal from the site, they will ask you to input your security password. Now, for somebody who has already registered, you have to go to the sign up page, to the sign in page, and just click on the email and the password right here. If you already have this saved in here, just the way I did mine, now go ahead and click on sign in to get signed into your dashboard. Now, do note this is an investment website, but do note that you need to perform some tasks right here. There are various VIP levels in the site. You need to perform some tasks depending on your VIP level. You perform your task and withdraw your money instantly. Now, ranging from the VIP 1 to the VIP 10, if you click on this very icon right here, the second to the last icon down below here, you're going to see the list of the VIPs right here. You starting with the VIP 1. Now you see the daily task for the VIP 1 is 1 task, and I think it's the same for every other VIPs right here. Okay, each and every VIP level here consists of just a single task, and the VIP 1 is the VIP 1 gives you a single profit of 8 USDT. 8 USDT for a single profit, and a total USDT of 4,000 USDT. But then there is a required amount that you need to send to this site before you get started. Now, guys, if you look at this very place right here, by clicking on this last icon down below here, you see the total amount USDT is 90 USDT that you're going to have here if you are going in for the VIP 1. But when you get registered, you are given a registration bonus, which is a sign-up bonus of 77 USDT. Now you need to send in 13 USDT if you're going for the VIP 1 in order to make it a total of 90 USDT to be able to go in for the VIP 1. Now, if you click on this icon, the first icon down below here, which says home, you're going to see the list of the various VIP levels right here again. And this one consists of the amount, the total amount you are to use to join in here. Now, guys, if you take a look at the VIP 1, you see that the VIP 1 requires you to join with a total amount of 90 USDT. So you are actually having to fund 13 USDT to go in for the VIP 1. Now, do note that for each and every of the VIP levels that you are joining, you are giving 77 USDT sign-up bonus. Now, guys, for the VIP 2, the required investment amount you need to use to purchase the VIP 2 is 70 USDT. So for each and every one of these, you are simply going to have to add the required investment amount. Pay attention to this video, guys. You're going to add the required investment amount for each and every one of the VIP. Like, you're going to add the investment amount to your initial, like your registration bonus. You already have 77 USDT. Now you are going to add something to it in order to be able to purchase the very one you want to go in for. I hope that is made clear. Now, I repeat myself, for the VIP 1, you will add 13 USDT to the 77 USDT to purchase the VIP 1. For the VIP 2, you will add 70 USDT to purchase the VIP 2. For the VIP 3, you will add 370 USDT, 370 USDT added to your 77 USDT. That is, you are recharging 370 USDT to be able to purchase the VIP 3. For the VIP 4, it is 770. For the VIP 5, 1,770. For the VIP 6, 3,770. For the VIP 7, 7,770. VIP 8, 18,370. And the VIP 9, which is the highest VIP level in the site, 38,375. Please do note that details about this, like if you can't follow it up properly on the video, more details about it I will be dropping down there in the description box of this video. So you're just going to have to scroll down and see it down there in the description of this video. Now, guys, to get started, you have to recharge your account. You have to recharge accounts by doing what I'm about to show you guys right now. On this same place that says the home page, the home, now click on this place that says the deposit. Click on this deposit on this same page, and you'll be able to copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address, and now go to your crypto wallet, be it Trust Wallet or Binance or OKX or Bybit, any crypto wallet of your choice that you make use of for your online transactions. You copy this address by tapping on this place that says copy address and have it copied to your clipboard. Now go to your various or whichever preferred crypto wallet or crypto exchange wallet that you make use of, and go there and fund your address, fund your account. Okay, now please do take note that the only crypto asset you must send to this place must be USDT TRC20 wallet address. Do not send a wrong crypto to this address. Do not send ERC20. Do not send BEP20. Make sure you are sending USDT TRC20 to this address. Now, guys, like I said, for the VIP one, you are having to go in with a 13 USDT, the total amount of 13 USDT added to your 77 USD. So, and that is why you can find a total amount of 90 USDT here, which means I'm eligible to perform the VIP 1 task right now. So guys, let me go now and perform this VIP 1 task by clicking on the home right here. I'm going to be performing the VIP 1 task. Pay attention, and I'll be making a live withdrawal in this video before I conclude this video. So once you click on the VIP, I hope you followed what I just did now. Let me click back on the home page again. Once you click on this very place now, so I'll be clicking on this place that says the VIP 1. So now you can see right here, remember I'm performing just one single task. This place that says go to finish, I'll click on it. It is loading. Completed successfully. I hope you saw that pop-up message. It has been completed. So now going back to my total balance, let's see what is right there. So you can see now I now have 98 USDT. Remember, it was a total of 90 USDT. I now have 98 USDT total amount. So what I'm going to do right here now, guys, is to go ahead and withdraw my money. So for me to withdraw this money now, I'll have to go back to this place, the very first icon down below here that says home. Now I'll click on withdrawal. Remember, I'll be making use of my fund password, my security password. Remember your security password during your registration after you input your login password, now followed by your security password. So right here now, I'm going to go to Binance. See this place that is, I'm asked to input my Tron address. That is my USD TRC20 wallet address. So let me quickly go to Binance and copy this address and complete the withdrawal process. So right here in my Binance, I'll tap on TRC20, Tron TRC20, and now tap on this place that says this very place. So I will now have this address. You can see wallet address copied. It has been copied to my clipboard automatically. So I go back to the site now and complete the withdrawal process. Please do note, while I do this, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research because I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. That being said, guys, I'll have to input the amount I want to withdraw, which is 8 USDT. And now this place that says Tron address, I'll long press on it and have it pasted. And now this place that says enter security password, I'll have to enter that same security password which I used during my registration. I will do that right here now. And now, having done this, I'll go ahead and click on confirm. Withdrawal succeeded. So now I have succeeded in binding my USDT TRC20 wallet address to the site, and I have succeeded in withdrawing my money. So in less than 2 minutes time, or let me say in the next 1 to 5 minutes time, this money should reflect in my Binance account. So any other time you want to place a withdrawal here, you may not have to enter your USDT TRC20 wallet address again because it has been automatically saved in the site. Now guys, when you refer your friends to get registered in the site, you are earning up to 8% rebate commission, 8% referral bonus from your direct referrals. That is your first generation referrals. Now for your second generation referrals, that is when the people you refer others, those are your second generation referrals, and you're earning 2% of their deposit amounts. Now for the third generation referrals, when those people refer others, you're earning 1% of their deposit amount. Now to refer them, you need to tap on this place that says copy and have your referral link copied to your clipboard. Now you can go to your social networks, your various social softwares like your WhatsApp groups, your Telegram groups, your Facebook groups, TikTok, and all the likes. Now you can share your invitation link right there and invite your online friends and tell them every single thing I've explained to you in this video. Tell them how the site works and everything I've explained in this video. Now quickly guys, let me go to Binance and see if this money I have deposited has actually reflected in my Binance account. Now boom guys, you can see the deposit of USDT is completed 51 seconds ago, not even up to a minute. So it's approximately a minute, 51 seconds ago. So if I click on the arrow beside it right here, I'll see more details. You can see 8 USDT completed. Wow. So I've actually succeeded in withdrawing my money to my Binance wallet. So I hope you guys have seen my live proof right here. Please do note, like I said before, you are free to also do your own research about the site. So now please, if you have any questions about this, any comments about this, leave your thoughts down there in the comment section of this video and wait for my reply. Do well to click that very first link in the description box of this video and use that link to get registered. It's a Google Documents link right there, but the link to the site is embedded inside that Google document. So just click on that very first link right there and it will take you to the page where you commence your registration. If you are following this channel for the very first time and haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button, just hit on it and stay tuned to my notifications. YouTube will always get you notified every time I upload a video in this channel. Subscription is absolutely free. You don't pay any money to get subscribed. This only enables you to always get notified every time I upload a video in this channel. Stay tuned guys, and see you guys in the next one.